Hello, this is Cindy from CindyLouPins, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a French knot. French knots are used in a variety of the CindyLouPins projects. For example, eyes for animals, ornaments for the Christmas trees, eyes and a mouth for the snowman. Now for the eyes of the emojis, we actually outline the eyes first, so I made a separate video about that. I'll put a link in the description. And of course, for the spots on the ladybugs. So today I'm going to show you how to make the French knot. I've got my partially completed ladybug here. Now for the French knot, you want to pick a spot to make the knot. So I'm going to go here, pull the needle up through, put your project down because you'll need 2 hands. Now wrap the yarn around the needle 1, 2, 3 times, pull it taut with your left hand, and push the needle back in the same hole that you came out of. Make sure to pull the yarn taut with your left hand, or non-dominant hand if you're doing this the other way, and pull the needle back through the hole. There's your French knot. Now you can make them in different sizes. You can see that one is a little bit on the bigger side because I looped the yarn around 3 times. So if you want to make a smaller knot, then only loop the yarn around twice. 1, 2, pull it taut with your left hand, and back through the hole. Now make sure you hold the needle straight, because if the needle spins, it'll unravel the yarn, and then your knot will just basically unravel. So for example, let's pick another spot here, go up, and if I wrap around, and then I let it pull off the needle, or I let it unthread or spin, then it's not going to make a knot. And then when I push it through, it'll just pull through. In that case I made a very small knot because one of the loops still went around even though I looped it around twice. But that, or it'll just pull completely out. So I'll show you again. How about here we'll make a ladybug spot. So loop around. I'm going to do twice for this one, and make sure you're pulling it taut. Don't let it fall off the needle like that. Don't let the needle spin so the yarn unravels. Oh, see, it just fell off. Once, twice, pull it taut. It's very easy right here to just slip it off the needle. So once, twice, keep it on the needle, pull it taut, back through the hole. This might take a little bit of practice. That's okay. Keep practicing till you get it. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to pull it through the hole too.